Good morning, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I got a little overexcited when I got some mail, so we're gonna have to kind of start over a little bit. I just got this in the mail. It was $9 eBay. You can find it at auto parts stores all over the place. But what it is a really long cable that you pull here and it adjusts the cable. So I think it's for a throttle or something. But so this part where I got a little excited. This was a little bit longer, and because it had a bend in it from all being wrapped up, I took just a regular pair of cutters and cut that off. So the wire is out now. Now what we're left with is this nice bendy spring stuff that doesn't have room to catch in your hair, which is really cool because that means it's not going to catch on your skin. My magnet keeps grabbing it. So it's got a little tiny hole in it. We're gonna cut this down and we're gonna be making some new bracelets. I can't find a supplier for our old hinge bracelets, so I'm going to be making them with these. I've seen a few other people making them also, and I will definitely make a video on how to get things set up for it. But I'm super excited. I think I have 50 some odd bracelet springs that I can make. I'm going to be cutting this with my bolt cutters. I'm going to go through and mark them at 1 inch. Give yourself a little bit of a margin. There. Don't run away. So I did have to bend it a little bit to break the piece off, but let's see if I can get it to focus up here. There you go. There's a little burr here. I'm just going to put that to the sander, and this side here's got a little burr too, so I'll get both sides, and we're going to end up making our bracelet fit inside of this. So that'll be interesting to watch and figure out. So new bracelets in the works. They'll be hinge type so that you can adjust them, open up and close them without having to strap magnets or anything. And this gives us a lot more patterns that we could use than before. So that'll be nice. We don't have to use big serving pieces. We can use smaller things. All right. So I hope you guys have fun. Make sure you share, like, subscribe, hit the bell wherever I put anything, watch our other videos, and I will see you guys later.